I'm Shannon Marion, and this is another episode of Vancouver Island Vision. Another fantastic place to go in the center of Parksville is the community park. And there's everything for the family here. You've got tennis, you've got pickleball, you've got a skate park, you've got a splash park, and you've got this beautiful waterfront walkway, and it's all right in the center of Parksville. We're going to take you around and show you a tour, and you'll be glad that you joined us. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Vancouver Island Vision. If you'd like to know more about the Parksville area or other areas on Vancouver Island, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.